lesson is about order of operations. Well, I think you're already familiar with this. If you could still remember the MDAS or the PEMDAS, now this is what it is all about. So, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So, let's take a look with the following examples. For number 1, 4 times the sum of 5 and 3. Now, how are we going to solve this? Well, we can use the distributive property, and that is from what we have studied about properties of operations. So 4 times 5, we have 20, plus 4 times 3, we have 12, and 20 plus 12 is 32. However, there is another way on how we can solve this. So let's rewrite the given. 4 times 5 plus 3. As you observe, there is a parenthesis, which means you need to consider first the operation inside the parenthesis, which means we will add 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this will be replaced by 8. Now we will rewrite this as 4 times 8. And 4 times 8 is 32. Notice that the answer is just the same. As you observe, we have here two operations which are multiplication and subtraction. However, since we have parentheses, so you need to perform first the operation inside the parentheses. So 7 times 3 will have 21 minus 4 times 6 is 24. And 21 minus 24 will be negative 3. Number 3. 4 squared plus 3 times the difference of 4 and 6. As you observe, there's already parenthesis and exponent. Now, what does 4 squared means? It means you're going to multiply the number to itself twice. So 4 times 4, the answer will be 60 plus 3. So you need to perform what's inside the parentheses. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So in here we'll have 16 plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So 16 plus negative 6, the answer will be 10. Another, 20 minus the cube of 3 plus 2. So you need to consider first what is inside the parentheses. However, since we have here the exponent, we will perform this first. 20 minus. This means 3. 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 plus 2. So we'll have here 20 minus 27 plus 2, we have 29. And 20 minus 29 will be negative 9. For number 5, negative 3 times the quantity of 9 plus the sum of negative 11 plus 4. So again, you need to consider first what's inside the parentheses. So we need to perform this first. So let's rewrite. Negative 3 times 9 plus, what will be the answer in here? Negative 11 plus 4, the answer will be negative 7. So as you observe, we have here a bracket. which means we need to perform this first before we multiply it to negative 3. So we'll write it again as negative 3 times 9 plus negative 7 will be, that's correct, will be 2. And negative 3 times 2 will be negative 6. Next, 18 divided by 6 plus 3 minus 7 times the square of negative 2. So we need to perform this first because it has an exponent. The square of negative 2 will be 4. Next is, we need to divide it first. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 3 plus 3 minus 7 times 4. Now from the MDAS, we will multiply 7 and 4. So we will have 3 plus 3 minus 28. 3 plus 3 is 6. Minus 28, the answer will be negative 22. And that's it. I hope you learned. Thank you.